Good morning, all of you. Today I will teach you about the next chapter in botany, that is inheritance and variation. So, in this inheritance and variation, all these genetically characters are discovered by the George Mendel. So, in this inheritance and variation, first we want to study about the genetics. What is meant by genetics? In this genetics, study of heredity and variation. Heredity means what? The similarity between the parent and offspring is called heredity, and variation is differences, dissimilarity which occur between the parent and offspring. Hereditary character, for example, diabetes. If it is present to our father, it can be carried towards the next generation. And variation is differences between the parent and offspring. So, next we have to study about the biographical sketch of George Mendel. All this genetic is studied by the George Mendel. So, he have the biographical sketch. Biographical sketch, first, he was born in 1822 July. In Austria, he is from small village. His father was farmer. He is from poor family. Then afterwards, in 1840, he completed graduation in math and natural history and natural science. Then 1843, he joined the Austrian monastery and became priest. Afterwards, in 1854 to 68, where he studied in his high school, he became a science teacher. At that time, he made a famous experiment in 1856, that is the garden pea plant. He cultivated in that garden all pea plant he cultivated and studied the several character. So his famous experiment is garden pea plant. He has written many books. He attended many conferences, national, international. He has written books Genera Plantarum, Species Plantarum. He published papers, national level, international level, abroad. So according to his outstanding work, so he is called the father of genetics. So George Mendel was called the father of genetics. So afterwards, Mendel studied the several terminology. First one is genes, alleles, phenotype, genotype, homozygous, heterozygous, dominant character, recessive character, back cross, test cross, F1 generation, F2 generation, offspring, progeny, inbreeding. So all these are the terminology. First one is genes. Genes it is also called as genus, genera, genes. So it carry from one generation to next. So it is called carrier. It is also called as factor. Then alleles. Alleles it is also called as allelomorph. A pair of alternative character have the similarity is called alleles. Alleles means pair. Then phenotype. A pair of character have the external character. Study of external character is called phenotypic character. Genotype. Study of genetically constituent of an organism is called genotype. Homozygous. A pair of character have the similarity is called homozygous. Homo means similar. That is capital TT and small tt are the homozygous character. Heterozygous. The dissimilarity between the character, that is the capital T and small t, is called heterozygous. Hetero means different. Dominant character. This dominant character which expressed in F1 generation is called dominant character, or dominant character which suppress the recessive character and shows all character in F1 generation dominancy is called dominant character. Recessive character does not express in F1 generation is called recessive character. Back cross. F1 generation cross with dominant character or parent is called back cross. Test cross. F1 generation cross with recessive parent or character is called test cross. Then F1 generation. It is also called as first filial generation. This F1 generation, the first filial generation after crossing of dominant and recessive character, they forms the gamete and express in F1 generation capital T and small t. So that is called the first filial generation. It is also called as F1 hybrid. F2 generation, that is called the second filial generation. After crossing of dominant and recessive character, we get the F1 generation. F1 generation segregate. Segregate means separate, that is the capital T and small t. So it is called second filial generation. Offspring. A single individual born is called offspring. Progeny, that is total number of individual born, is called progeny. For example, dog, pig, etc. Inbreeding, where there is self-pollination and self-fertilization is called inbreeding. So all these are the terminology used by Mendel. So he studied the several character on garden pea plant. So there is one question, why Mendel selected garden pea plant for his experiment? Mendel selected garden pea plant for his experiment. The reason is that plant is easily available, easily cultivable, it is annual herb plant, it is self-pollinated plant, it can be cross-pollinated artificially, and it have the 7 contrasting characters are there. That 7 contrasting characters are difference, length of the stem, the tall, that is dominant, and recessive, that is dwarf. Structure of seed, round and wrinkle. Seed color, yellow green. Then shape of fruit or pod, inflated or constricted. Color of pod, that is green and yellow. Color of flower, purple and white. And position of flower, axial and terminal. So these are the 7 contrasting character used by the Mendel. All these are studied in the garden pea plant. Thank you.